Busha is there already.
Thank you. And go back.
No, this way.
No, this way, special.
What way?
Okay, that's the point. I don't have how much classes, so
Let's go. What way are we looking for?
But I'm not bedding everything. That's what I'm saying. You might as well start it the other way.
Okay. Do you want to go back? Because ufuna matrol. Yeah, no. So basically, me and Busha always fighting. Oh, showrooms.
Thank you. Oh my god, let's go that side.
She's chatting bad.
No, you are chatting bad. I'm not bad job.
Yeah, this way.
You need the bed.
Is it this one?
No, this one is a big one though. It's this one, but this one is a big one. You need a bed, probably some things for the or a room.
We're gonna buy like not a couch, like laundry basket. Laundry basket.
A few things for the room. I don't know what yet. We'll see while we walk.
This is the bed, guys. Open it.
Is this the name of it?
No, this one. Oh yeah, that one. Tennis. This one. That one there. My God, there she goes.
This one.
That one.
It's the same thing. This one.
We found what we came here for. A new bed. A new bed. Yes, guys. We go in. Did the price? But yeah, we found what we need. Get into it.
This really cupboard nice, but so please.
Oh, chest of drawer.
Yeah. Let's go that way first.
Where's Bookley? Way. Oh yeah, but do you not think we need like a study table?
Nope.
In our room?
Where did you find in a transport?
No, like a small one like this, like literally this small. Like guys, do you not think so? Nah, look at this, like office wear and stuff. This kitchen, it's cute. That's my future kitchen, guys. If you want cookouts, look at this one. I can already see myself sitting there. That's cute. Guys, basically we've been using the dishwasher roll. This is the way you need to pack it up. You hear me? Pack it up like this. Thank you. Right, thank you. We're up in Ikea, bitch. Up in the bitch. And we don't need anything here. The only thing we're looking for now is like chest of drawers. Chest of drawers and the laundry basket because we need one, like the one that has lids on,
And a better bed.
oh yeah, if we can still find more beds, get into it. Anyways, pick up later. We found more beds. Oh, this is like a studio. Oh, ooh,
need a mirror.
We need a mirror or
Yeah,
whatever.
like this one.
Look at the outfit. Let's start.
Take a picture. So.
Look.
Yeah, I'll take a picture. Just a new thing I met. Yeah,
Look at the outfit. Leave the trainers. Leave the tracksuit. Primark bag. Look at how sis looks like. Ooh, just for prime. I don't know what she's looking for in here.
so bad.
It's me again. It's this fur carpet. And look at this bed that Bush is going to. She doesn't like it. Yeah, but I want the bigger ones.
It goes back, but this one you can't take it back now.
Literally. That's Bushley trying to get the mat. Guys, deeper.
This one is not.
Let's fix the tire. Oh, which is calling me. Another one. Oh yeah, something like that. Guys, look what I found. And which is still, she wants to show me. Yeah, that's pink, and it's big as well. Look at it. Can we buy this one as well? Can we buy this?
No.
Just. No, it doesn't. Oh. There it has. Candles. Ini. Guys, this is literally the favorite place to be. My favorite place. Look at this one. This is how I want my room to be. Okay. Now we're going down this escalator thing. Time. We need to find like the aisle where it is. It said 51 that way. Yeah. We're just getting the bag. Where is he? Oh wait, why did we not take the trolley? No, like after we've paid for it. Oh, I don't even know how it works. I don't know. So guys, we're here to end the vlog.
Yeah, and we have discovered nothing.
No, we discovered do you know how many years I've been here and I've never been on a tram, and I did get on a tram today.
Well,
so yeah.
That's one thing is discovered.
And we hope that you liked the video. It's literally us going to Ikea.
Yeah, literally that's it.
That is it.
Probably maybe Ikea is gonna sue us because I'm pretty much sure we're not
literally.
Ikea,
but I hope you liked the video and stay tuned like for more videos.
Blast, 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 way too blast, 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 blast.